Hi friends, do you find high quality Bluetooth headphone? Please see this video. I hope you don't disappointed. This is Bluedio U UFO 2 high-end Bluetooth headphone patented 8 drivers 3D sound. Hi-Fi wireless headset supported APTX and voice control. Item specifics. Brand name, Bluedio. Plug type, line type. Is wireless, yes. Support app, yes. Style, headband. Resistance, 32 ohms. Support Apt-x, yes. Volume control, yes. Model number, UFO 2. Active noise cancellation, no. With microphone, yes. Sensitivity, 120 decibels. Connectors, 3.5 mm. Vocalism principle, dynamic. Bluetooth music time, up to 25 hours. You can easily voice your smart home, as long as your home appliances are connected. Quick connection, fast and stable, lossless transmission, superior sound, clear calling, crystal voice and more professional. Press the MF button twice, and you can enjoy a Bluetooth resource. 20 mm medium and high frequency driver unit, 50 mm low frequency unit. Choose your favorite color, black, silver, and white. Very beautiful, wonderful to watch, and also eye-catching. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment and share.